Well, hi there, everybody. Good Tuesday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. A lot to get to here today, probably the most active day of the next 7. So we're going to start off first with the winds today. They are going to pick up throughout the day today. Strongest winds will be in the southwest part of the viewing area where high wind warnings will be in place. We have northwest winds that could gust as high as 55 to 65 miles per hour from McCook on southwestward. I think the farther southwest you go, again, stronger the winds will be. We'll see fairly strong winds here in south central Nebraska, north central Kansas, strong enough that we do have a wind advisory in place today. Those north and northwest winds could get as high as 45 to 55 miles per hour, maybe slightly lighter around the York area, and then it gets lighter again the farther east and northeast that should go below wind advisory criteria. Now up to the north and the west, we will have strong winds as well, but that's also going to be combined with that snow that could actually accumulate. So that's why there's a winter weather advisory posted for the chance of some blowing snow, some poor visibilities. Right now, I'm going with the general 1 to 3 inches of snowfall in those areas. We'll cover that more here in just a bit. Way out west, winter storm warnings in the pink shaded area in the far west part of the Panhandle. So area of low pressure moving through the Tri-Cities as we speak. Out ahead of it, an east or southeasterly wind that's fairly light. We have mostly clear skies behind it, clouds filling in, and the winds cranking up out of the north and the northwest, and they will get stronger as this area of low pressure gets stronger. It strengthens, it winds up through the day today. Eventually on the backside of the system we see rain and snow mainly to the west and northwest of the Tri-Cities this morning, starting to accumulate in some locations. The winds getting stronger as we go into the afternoon hours. It starts to approach the Tri-Cities area. Again, that chance of rain possibly mixed with snowfall. Somebody seeing some accumulating snowfall underneath that band. And then as we get into the late afternoon, early evening hours, we'll see this start to lighten up a little bit, but still lingering around the Tri-Cities, pushing into southeastern portions of Nebraska as either light rain or light snow. Continues to lighten up through the evening hours as we approach the midnight hour and eventually starts to clear out. Winds still strong for the evening. Chilly conditions working in after midnight, though the winds start to die back. Partly cloudy skies by tomorrow morning. A nicer day for your Wednesday, still on the breezy side with those northwest winds. Cool, but fairly average conditions for this time of the year. Highs will top out in the low to mid 50s, some 40s up to the north, maybe a couple of sprinkles tomorrow afternoon, but otherwise mostly sunny skies for your Wednesday. Some nicer weather on the way for Thursday. So again, how much snow are we talking about? Again, it's very tough to tell because some of this is going to melt. We have warm ground temperatures. The temperatures overall at the surface won't be getting overly cold, probably not even dropping below freezing. So a lot of it will be melting, but there is going to be some decent moisture. We could be talking about a ½ inch or better of liquid equivalent precipitation under the heaviest bands of snowfall, which is some good moisture, and we really need it. Probably not going to get that around the Tri-Cities, but those areas to the west and northwest of the Tri-Cities, again, I'm calling for the 1 to 3 inches of snow. Even though this forecast model is showing a little bit more, I think a lot of it will be melting, and that will continue on towards western portions of Nebraska. Tri-Cities on the grassy surfaces, maybe up to a 1/4 or ½ inch of snow before it's all said and done. I'm not expecting heavy accumulations. Roadways, I think, will be okay. As for temperatures for today, again, keep in mind these will be falling this afternoon. 30s and 40s to the north. We'll also see 30s and 40s to the west, where winds will be strongest there out in the western parts of the viewing area. To the south, we're looking at 40s, maybe 50s, though, in Beloit. But again, dropping temperatures this afternoon, winds really strong. We'll see the afternoon chance of some rain changing to snowfall. And out towards the east, a late afternoon chance of late rain or snow as temperatures start to drop later this afternoon. We'll see 50s, but again, those temperatures will fall behind that area of low pressure. Your extended forecast after today looks nicer. 53 for tomorrow, 67 for the first day of spring on Thursday. Lots of sunshine, a bit breezy. Then we trend downwards for the end of the week and the weekend. 53 degrees, windy conditions, mostly sunny on Friday, and then 40s through the weekend into early next week. A slight chance of rain or snow possible on Saturday, especially out west. A much lower chance of Sunday and Monday, so I didn't even put them in at this point, although it's worth watching. I don't think we're going to see much for precipitation with any of those chances as we head through the weekend and early next week. Today is probably the best chance over the next 7 days. So there is your forecast for today. I will be off here all the way through the rest of the week into the weekend. I won't be back till next Monday. Heading down to sunny San Antonio, Texas for some 70-degree weather and some Husker basketball. So Nathan Gogol will be filling in for me the next couple of mornings. So until next time, until next Monday, I'll see you. Have a great day.